Have a go at this. Find the value of x squared plus the square root of y when x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 9. Have a go at this yourself, and I'll cover the answer on the following slide. So we have got x squared plus the square root of y. In the position of the x and the y, I'm going to put brackets, as you can see here. Now we can see x has the value of 2. So into this position, which is the brackets here, I'm going to place the value of 2. Now we can see y has the value of 9. So into this position, which is represented by these brackets, we place the value of 9. I could have gone straight to here and wrote out 2 squared plus the square root of 9 and not use the brackets, but I did so here to make it visually easy to follow the solution. 2 squared is 4, and we can add to that the square root of 9, which is 3. And 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So for these values of x and y, this expression will have the value of 7.